Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset iPhone without Apple ID password. In most cases, you will be asked to enter your Apple ID password before you factory resetting your iPhone to turn off the Find My iPhone feature as well as the activation lock. However, some users forgot the password of their Apple accounts or that haven't been used for a long time. Hence, a problem emerges how to factory reset iPhone without password. So watch this video until the end. I'm going to show you step by step that how you can reset. So before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So as you can see, if I click on continue and enter the passcode of the iPhone, it will ask for me to enter the Apple ID password to factory reset the iPhone. Hence you don't know the password, then let me show you how you can fix it. So if you have bought the second-hand device, now you don't know how to reset it because you don't have the access to the email address or phone number that is associated with your Apple ID that is logged in on your iPhone. Make sure that you have set the passcode on your iPhone. Open the browser and search for iCloud.com. Go to this website, click on sign in, and then if you see this, click on use different Apple ID. Now click on forgot password. Now as you can see, you will see this option, you will get this option. Now there is a trick. If you try to reset it, sometimes it's asked for you to enter the phone number, but if you go with this method, it won't ask you to enter any verification code, email address or phone number. Simply click on reset my password. Now it will just ask you to enter the passcode of your iPhone. Now it will verify the password. Here you go. Now you have the option to change your Apple ID password that is associated on the device. So without any entering verification code from email or phone number, we have the option to change the password. Now you can enter new password for this Apple ID. Once you have done this, then you can simply go to iPhone, click on your Apple ID, click on Find My iPhone, turn it off, and then you can reset your iPhone. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.